Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, if you are new and you know you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, we did analysis about for last week, right? I think this was the movements we did. Analysis wasn't on the 11th, right? I think it was done, and I told you guys that AUD USD will actually give us a bullish move, which we actually had, right? I told you guys. I think we did the analysis on the November 28th, right? So I told you guys you can go back to confirm. I told you guys that we'll be having a bullish move on AUD USD. Guess what? We've actually gotten that bullish move. I think we may add, a bullish move. And I also highlighted this level for you guys. You can still see it. I still have this level here, which I told you guys that AUD USD will definitely come to hit this level, right? Before a pullback will happen. And guess what? We've actually gotten to this level, right? And now a pullback has happened, which is more visible on the daily time frame. You can see it, right? So we expect this AUD USD to actually hit this level. And guess what? A pullback has now happened here. So after this pullback, what next do we expect on this AUD USD? So this is why I'm going to explain. So you need to stick to the end. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. So we would analyze this from the higher time frame to be able to understand this movement. So this AUD USD, you can clearly see that this movement price has been dropping. There's no doubt. One of the reasons why we're having this drop on this AUD USD is because of the bullish move on DXY. You can see that this early 2022, DXY was giving us a bullish move, which is the USD index. So any other currency pairs we are trading to USD index was actually dropping. There's no doubt we're having a fall on or on any other pairs we are trading to our USD, right? So, now that this DXY has now been falling, right, we are now having a bullish move on any pairs we are trading to USD index, right? So, take a look at this month. I think the month of November, we actually made about 400 pips bullish move on AUD USD. Last month, we actually had a bullish move of 400 pips, right? Now, this is the month of December, right? Price has actually gone bullish move, actually made a bullish move. And by the time this month will end, we expect a further bullish move upward. At least we should be able to take out this level by the time the month end, because we all know that once price has reacted to a level previously multiple times and price is close to that level, then we expect price to get to that level and react to that level. So we will see it from here. We saw that price have reacted to this level here. You see price react to this level previously, and we can see that price has given us a pullback here, which is more visible on the daily time frame though, and you can see price reacted here. So we expect price to actually come to this level, and I told you guys that be expecting a reaction at this level, right, which price has gotten to, and we are having a reaction which is more visible on the daily time frame. Price is giving us, though we will go into that later. So this AUD USD, we are on a bullish move. So this bullish move is not over. We would want to see it take out a level of 0.69. So we are currently trading at 0.68. We still have at least from here to this level, we still have about 200 pips bullish move to be made on this AUD USD. So we'll be expecting 200 pips bullish move within this week and next week. So this week that we are predicting for, if we can't hit the 200 pips, the whole of the 200 pips bullish for this week, then possibly by the upper one they should be able to hit it. But I believe this week we should be able to hit this bullish move, because DXY or USD index is dropping, so we should expect a further bullish move. Now for the weekly time frame, we want to know where this price will be moving for this week, right? So this is one of the reasons why we would analyze it from the week. So take a look at this week time frame. You can see week one, price opened and closed bullish. Week 2, price opened and closed bullish. Week 3, price also opened and closed bullish. You can also see week 4, price opened and closed bullish. Now this is week 5. Price gave us a pullback. Then week 6, price opened and closed bullish. Week 7, price has given us a bullish move. So this week 8, right? I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This week 8, right? We would also expect price to also open and close bullish. So since price can open and close bullish for the analysis, about last week, the week that just finished. Now this week that we are predicting for, we expect price to actually open and close bullish. Now, secondly, is that we want to note this trend. We clearly can see that this trend is an uptrend, especially here, movement upward. Secondly, is that we can see this moving average, which is 10-period moving average. You all know once this price is above this moving average, then there's only one movement we all should be watching out for, which is to go long. So since we are on a bullish move or price is above our moving average on the weekly time frame, so we are to consider to go long on this AUD USD. So let's look forward to going bullish on this AUD USD. So AUD USD still on a bullish move. We would all be expecting this week. That should take us to the daily time frame. So we can see this impulse. Let's start this moment from here. We see it as an higher highs. Here comes the correction. Now comes the new highs. Here comes the correction, right? The new highs was made here. Comes the correction, right? The price kind of tap here, reject, kind of give us like a double tapping around this level. Then price give us a pullback, right? Then guess what again? Price went up. Price also gave us a double tap here, right? We saw price tap here multiple times, give us a double tap in here. Then guess what again? Price broke above it. So we expect price to actually push further right. So though this level that I told you guys that price will actually get to right, is because we saw that price has reacted to this level here previously. This is one of the reasons why I highlighted this level, right? So I told you guys that at least a little bit of a pullback should occur here. So which we've gotten. Now that we've had this pullback, which has given us a pullback. Let's just assume here as the resistance level, right? Let's just assume it. Now we all know that once price breaks out of a resistance level, price needs to give us a pullback to test that resistance level. So we can see it like this. Price breaks out of this resistance. Now price has given us a pullback, test this resistance. What movement do we expect next on AUD USD? A continuous bullish move on this AUD USD. So now that this pullback has been made, so guys, we're expecting a bullish move on AUD USD. So that should now take us to the 4-hour time frame that we would want to place this trade on. So what is the trend for this 4-hour time frame? Clearly, this is an uptrend move. So we can see higher highs, pullback, higher highs. Now a pullback is happening, right? So you can possibly wait for this ice to be broken. I think it will make sense, or you will be on the safer side once this ice, which is this previous ice, has been broken. So once this ice has been broken, then you can now jump in and take your trade on this AUD USD, because this price might possibly range within this area for some times. Maybe possibly on Monday, right? We might see a ranging market move, which I'm not really sure of. But if in case it happens, then fine, no problem. Because price might kind of range here within for some times. So you can just be patient enough, watch out. Once this price breaks above this size, then that is a confirmation that we are going bullish. Then you can now take a buy on AUD USD for the week. So do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.